Hi, hello and welcome. This is your favorite chef Shri Bala. I hope you would love my recipes. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to turn the notifications on. Enjoy and happy cooking.
Hi everyone, welcome back after a short break. Today we are going to look at a lip smacking recipe, a mug cake with choco chips and cocoa powder, and it's going to be ready in a jiffy. Come, let's see it.
Kindly make a note of the ingredients needed for making mug cake. This recipe is sufficient for making one mug cake. So multiply it according to your need. If you need 3 mug cakes, this recipe into 3 should be your ingredients quantity. A simple mug cake. Excited, isn't it? Come, let's see. Now, instead of mixing all the ingredients in the mug, I'm going to mix it in a bowl. I've taken a bowl and I'm adding the all-purpose flour first, adding a pinch of salt, then powdered sugar. Keep the powdered sugar ready. You can whip it in the mixie and get it ready in a jiffy. Next, I'm going to add the cocoa powder. So we've added all-purpose flour, sugar, salt and cocoa powder now. The reason I'm doing it in a bowl is, in a mug, mixing becomes a problem. I'm adding the oil. Sometimes it remains uncooked also if you mix everything in the mug. Next, I'm adding the milk. Mix it nicely so that you get a smooth consistency. You need to mix it. You can also whip it if you want. Next, I'm adding the baking powder. I've already greased the mug. This again is slightly different from all the other recipes, so that while eating it is easy for you to take it out. It doesn't become very hard. I'm pouring it in equal proportion to 2 mugs. And keep it only to 3/4 of the mugs. And sprinklers, you can use choco chips and all colored sprinklers, whatever you've got in your home. Choco chips is essential, try and use it. Other sprinkles, absolutely your own wish and option. My daughter uses a lot of sprinklers, so I've got lots. I'm using it generously. Otherwise, choco chips is also sufficient. It's ready to go into the microwave. Each microwave operates differently. I have done in medium 3 minutes. So you can choose as per your microwave. If you've got any doubts, you can ask me. I will be able to reply based on the make of the microwave. It's done now. Take it out and do a dip test. It's done. I'm going to add some chocolate syrup. This will help you to keep the mug cake very moist. A drizzle is enough. And let's take a bite together. Are you ready? Awesome, isn't it? A simple cake ready in a jiffy.